Hey there. Happy to meet you again. Hope you are doing great. You know, I am so lazy to download YouTube videos online. You have to go through lots of advertisement before you actually download a video. Why not create your own YouTube downloader in 5 minutes, and save rest of your time on live, apart from clicking on ads? We will use Python to create a simple YT downloader. Without further ado, let's jump into it. Open up your terminal window. Make a new directory. Name it YouTube. Open your VS Code by typing code and period. Create a new Python file. Here, we need a module called pytube. So, to download it, type pip install pytube. Once done, open your py file, and let's start coding. From pytube import the class YouTube. Create a input for URL. Name it URL. Create a class object for the class YouTube. Pass in URL into YouTube class. A video has many streams based on resolution, codec, audio or video formats, and so on. We will have to select the right stream for us. So, stream equal to video.stream. So print stream and let us check the right one. Here I wish to download 720p resolution video. So use filter method to select 720p resolution. And print stream. If you see clearly, each stream has its own unique I tag. For example, 720p resolution video has I tag 22. So it is better to filter out stream using I tag. For this, we use the method streams.getByITag, and pass in the I tag you want. In my case for 720p video it's 22. Again print stream and check it. Good. We filtered out 720p resolution video stream. Now let's download the file. Call a variable download_file and type stream.download. This downloads our video. For confirmations, let us print a downloading statement after getting right stream and done statement after execution. Run our code. Good. Our download is done. Let's check the downloaded file. Cool. We have successfully downloaded a video from YouTube. In same way, by changing resolution of your wish you can download your videos. Help me see you in next video by subscribing us, so I get the chance to give voiceover for the next video. Hope you learned something new. It's Y of X VoiceBot signing off.